Lattice Semiconductor electric Honda scooter. So as I mentioned, it's all about both hardware, AutoAlign, so they build the AI-Augmented Workforces, future seats for vehicle. So you see this nice guy, some Urban Hawk by Mitsubishi, and this is like computer vision. Here is a stand for Honda Helm AI. Hello, IoT Forge, and today we have a great opportunity to visit one more technology-related fair by AutoTech Council. So today we are in Palo Alto, California, United States, and we are going to attend this technical fair, tech fair. We'll see what it's about. So the slogan is innovation in motion. So we'll see what we have today. I just want to show you the wonderful area. So it's within the hills of Palo Alto, a very nice area, and I'm very excited to see and check what stuff we can get there. See you guys. Okay, just a couple words about the venue where we're going to visit today. This is SRI International, and SRI stands for Stanford Research Institute, and technically this is a non-profit organization. They invest into research and development of technology solutions which improve life quality, make safer, greener, more efficient in terms of power consumption, etc. So technically make the world a better place to live, and they host today the AutoTech Council event about innovations and smart solutions in automotive. So they call it Science Fair, where different car makers could present their innovations such as Volkswagen, Honda, Mitsubishi, Toyota, and definitely other companies who provide automotive relevant solutions such as navigation, such as gathering, analyzing of the data, telemetry from cars, computer vision technology, safe driving technologies. Yeah, so a lot of stuff to see today. Thank you, Team IoT Forge. Love you. Like us, subscribe, and hit that bell. I just want to show you the overview of this wonderful area deep inside the hills of Palo Alto. Very nice area, and this is the actual campus of SRI, and it's called Port Facility Building. So we have the event hosted here again by AutoTech Council. So let's see what this tech fair is about today. Better cars, innovation, smart solutions. I will get back to you after I get inside. See you, folks. Okay, I got in. So it was not too complicated. Just show your ID and they check the reservations. So I'm in, and folks, just remind you, please like us, subscribe. We're doing all this stuff only for you, my friends. And more subscribers we have, the better coverage we have in terms of our content, and it makes much easier for us to cover it. Okay, see you. Okay, so when you get here, you see this wonderful billboard of AutoTech Council and their slogan Innovation in Motion, and they show some key components of modern cars. So surprisingly, they're all science fair. Sorry, I was saying technology tech fair. No, it's science fair. It's a very small, very, I would say, conservative space. So not too many stuff. So I did brief research over the area. So what they have here. So they have here three main things. So first of all, they have this called matchmaker tables. So where you can talk to the participants of the exhibition. So some company representatives, and you sit and have some time to discuss topics. They have the scene there, stage, and there should be some talks and conversation later. I think in a few minutes people will be presenting something. And they have several stands here. So I'm going to go through all the stands and give you more details and overview. Okay, and the first stand is Lattice Semiconductor. So the low programmable sensors they have here, and you see it's Bronco, I think the modern version of Bronco. So they provided built-in a variety of different sensors, low power, all of them are programmable. So you can see cabin AI, hybrid electric, ADAS, infotainment, security. So very interesting stuff. electric Honda scooter. And here we have Rodeo, and what they do, they provide a real fidelity digital twin purpose. So they actually build the full digital twin of a vehicle, and they can run different emulations, how it runs in a road, and you could see this on the screen. There's different examples what data they collect and what data they stream, and you see this is kind of real road traffic, real moving in a road traffic. So as I mentioned, it's all about both hardware and software components, and you can see that their solution provides advanced safety. So it's not always about simulation, it's about preventing like forward, rear collisions, blind spot detections, lane departure, road sign recognition, and of course 360 dashcam video. So this is an example of simulation running on some scooter motorcycle type. Okay, the next space is about AutoAlign. So they build the AI-Augmented Workforces, and what you technically do, you put special glasses, and this is an example how you work. So you see this is about working on some technician, like plumber one, and you do your work, and you also see some augmented components items, and they could advise on your next steps, next session items, what you need to do. So these are actual glasses. Okay, next very cool stuff. These future seats for vehicle by YankTech, and the idea is very cool. So this is completely self-efficient seat for vehicle. So it has everything required for its operation, including even built-in power source. It's a very power efficient power source, so you don't need to care about how to get it into your car, and it works like a charm. The overall seat can move in different directions, and they're quite comfortable. And again, because they are power independent, all the power source is integrated into seat, which is very power efficient. So this is a big Toyota Boshoku company who have collaboration with Toyota and YankTech for these awesome seats. So technically, it's self-efficient seat for vehicles, but it's not having it doesn't have battery inside. So technically, it's a receiver of energy power, and the battery is underneath the seat actually. So it has a moving can, and it receives the power from the battery under the seat, and then it also is a receiver to the wearables. You see the person who is doing the demo, he has a special military jacket and this nice green LED. So okay, here we have some stuff from Mitsubishi Electric, and we have two things. First of all, delivery robot. So you see this nice guy. So technically this is a platform to create different purpose delivery robots, and here is a video showing how it could be utilized, how you could leverage in different combinations in different settings, and how you can build different type of delivery robots. The other stuff here was a computer vision solution. So let's wait a bit for a demo. Urban Hawk by Mitsubishi, and this is like computer vision for the vehicles, and you can see how fast and in real time it identifies everything from road signs to the traffic.
Meet Urban Hawk, North America's most advanced infrastructure asset monitoring and management platform. Designed to help urban planners and city improvement leaders quickly identify and address road-related problems and hazards. Through AI-based digital twin technology, Urban Hawk spots and analyzes critical municipal infrastructure assets, such as pavement conditions, street signs, guardrails, and more. Receive asset performance reports and alerts for immediate action, allowing you to proactively address deficiencies and promote safer roads while reducing repair and maintenance. UrbanHawk ensures compliance with relevant standards and regulations and utilizes the PACER rating system for precision assessment of pavement conditions. By integrating with GIS mapping for accurate geographical data, UrbanHawk's digital twin offers unmatched anomaly detection to identify irregularities within any city zone or sector.
Okay, here is a stand for Honda Helm AI and their AI smart solution for automotive cars. So it's deep teaching, they call it not deep learning but deep teaching. So it's adapted to the driver and also provides teaching approach how she should adjust their driving techniques. Okay, more solutions here. And this is Kanemat's Robotics in Automotive. More about video demo. Here is Bosch stuff. Again, too many people, very overcrowded. Here is some stuff related to data collected from the cars. And here we have DeepHawk Next Generation AI. Again, it's all about collecting the data, telemetry of the data from vehicles. Here we have spring core technologies about actual spring and the gears within your car. So very interesting demo stand. So you can actually try different spring, different gears to see how they work, how they made of. Good thing that you can actually touch it and see. Okay, here is very interesting stuff. That's me, you see. Okay, and this is Metavista 3D. So they create revolutionary 3D electronic mirror for automotive. So it's not like real mirror, but it uses different video cameras to create the actual mirroring. Finally, we got some robotics, real working demo example. It's called Deft Robotics, and it's you see. So they have couple demo sources. One is some recording, and you see how it inserts the cable. So it's very gentle cable insertion, unbelievable. It's so simple, small cable for a human being, you see? But for robotic hands, it's very complicated. I mean, like the movement should be very kind of like gentle and very accurate. Okay. Cool.
We included two of these rough weights, which are 6.8 pounds each. At 6.8. And then I will show you that. 6.4. So you add that all up, it's about 20 kilograms.
Here we have some Daanaa solutions, and you see like it's a full like military grade case where we have it all power transmitters devices, getting all the telemetry from vehicles. Yeah, very cool. Okay, here we have Mobiltech, and they present a multi-radar solution to do all the environmental telemetry and gathering all the data outside of the car. So to provide more secure driving, more safe driving, they use multiple radar all over the car, which track and potentially prevent any type of collision. And they are fully considerable co-pilot, which could be assisting the driver. Okay, here we have a Brelyon display like no other. So they provide built-in solution for new modern auto vehicle displays and any display related devices. So you could see some demo stand and some real examples of implemented displays for the auto vehicle. Very interesting. Very interesting part of the event is this open stage where you could register in advance and then have some conversation about important topics. For instance, this one is about electric vehicle data centers and how it's efficient in terms of the ecology, how green is technology. And you see they provide different devices and how they can solve and improve the situation. Anyway, it's very interesting.
And I want to talk about our revenue system.
Many
different
solutions and companies presenting their products. Of course, nice area for food and drinks. That's important. So this is the final overview of this small science fair, automotive related. Small, but very interesting and nice. We got here a real demo of how it works. Mitsubishi delivery robot. You see it has very funny smiley face. And you say like it changes the eyes, how depending on what it's...
Oh, it's like when it goes somewhere, like it's like at one production line and goes to the warehouse. It shows like, oh, I go to the warehouse.
Ah, okay. Okay, folks, final thoughts, and we're wrapping up. So I decided to have this wonderful, gorgeous view from the balcony. So this building this is two-story building, and they have a really good second floor, huge space balcony. It's almost empty, just one person is here. So let me do the very quick final review. So final thoughts. As I mentioned, it's very small space, very small room. I was thinking it will be bigger, science fair related automotive, but looks like automotive industry events, especially for like innovations and smart stuff. They are less not popular, but they are more specific and unique for specific audiences. So that's probably the main reason. However, few things really were presented there, but they are so cool. So these new seats from Toyota Boshoku with their cool wireless energy transmitting / receiving, these cool many AI solutions, visual recognitions from Honda, from Mitsubishi, delivery robots from Mitsubishi, these robotic hands, very cool stuff. I really love it. Again, it doesn't take too much time, but the thing is, maybe this is about all small events, smaller, let's say, community. All people are so friendly, they're ready to provide the details, they're ready to do demos, so they are like open-minded, ready to talk to you, very friendly. That's so cool. I mean, like, I got so nice demo with Toyota Boshoku with these all wireless seats. It was very cool. So a full demo showed how it works. Really nice. A bit overcrowded because of the space, very loud. So hopefully my microphone guy made its work cool. But I like it. I like it. It's a nice experience, new experience. Yeah. So in general, I think if you don't have experience of smaller space community like events, yeah, definitely give it a try. You'll get full attention from people there. Thank you so much. IoT Forge. Subscribe if you are not subscribed, like us, and hit the bell. We're really doing this only for you guys, and we hope and we believe in nice, great, comfortable knowledge sharing. See you. Bye bye, IoT Forge.